Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use post slider shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of post slider shortcode. Post slider is very helpful shortcode in case if you are creating a blog website and want to make your hero section attractive by showing your recent or featured posts in stylish slider or block. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on post slider element. You can see post slider settings and pop up here. POFO provide 3 different creative post slider styles. Let me go with post slider style 1. This is how it looks. Here you can select your desired categories from which you want to display a post in this post slider. So let me select standard category. You can set posts order by date, ID, author, etc. Let me select date. Let me select posts sort by descending order. Let me enter 3 posts per page. You can switch on off pagination. This is pagination area. Select pagination style, style. Select pagination color style, dark style. You can switch on of post title and post categories. You can switch on off read more button and enter button text here. Let me enter read more as button text. You can set category text case here. Go to Slider Configurations tab. Here you can manage transition speed of slider like 1000 means 1 second. You can switch on off autoplay slider and enter your desired delay time. 3000 means 3 seconds. You can switch on off auto looping. Under Style tab, you can manage box background color and category color. Typography tab, here you can manage typography of title. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc., italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off, switch on-off auto-responsive font size. Go to Extra tab. In case if you want to customize this shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for page slider element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child themes style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. Great, you can see slider with selected categories post. In case if you want to make it full width, then go to row settings general tab. Select stretch row and content with no padding option for row stretch. If you want to switch off page title, then you can switch off it using POFO page settings. Under page title tab, here you can switch off page title. Save changes and let's check preview. It is full width now. Now let me go back to general tab again and select post slider style 2. This is style 2 and you can see how it looks like. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see slider style 2 here. Now let me go back to general tab again and select slider style 3. This is not a slider but it just a block. Save changes and let's check preview. This is how style 3 looks. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.